for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to a republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Patuxent Panthers. I am Mr. Sledge, the career advisor here, with just a quick message for 10th and 9th graders. The Career and Technology Academy, or for short, the CTA, will be housing an open house on Thursday, January 15th from 5:30 to 7 p.m. If you are a 10th grader in the CTA enrollment process right now and you are on the fence, I highly recommend that you attend this open house. If you are a 9th grader who is considering the CTA, I highly recommend this open house. These flyers will be hanging up around the building with the information I just shared with you. If you have questions, please come find me, email me, or reach out to your guidance counselor. Once again, CTA open house Thursday, January 15th from 5:30 to 7 p.m. Very nice.
Good morning, Pact. It's Thursday, January 15th, 2026. I'm Trey Struthers.
And I'm Karen Borges with the morning announcements.
In recognition of the dedication and teachings of Dr. Martin Luther King, Jr., be sure to take time out of your extended weekend to read, watch, or reflect on his impact in American politics and culture.
And if you are mobile, head over to Anne Marie Gardens this weekend from 11 to 4 p.m. as they celebrate the life and legacy of Dr. King with a community art project led by visiting artists. This event is free and open to everyone.
If you're into comedy, struggling writers, and furries, then don't miss your chance to see Squirrels next Wednesday at 5 in the auditorium. This is the only night for the performance before it debuts at the State Festival. Go support the arts before it's too late.
Best Buddies will be meeting in the gym A-Lunch today. Do not, I repeat, do not go to Mr. Sloan's room. And I'm talking to you, Kiana Parker. You too, Ty.
Lunchtime. Prep your taste buds, Panthers, because your mouth is about to become a stage for a spicy sauce performance with today's midday meal deal.
You'll be shouting Olé after one taste of beef and cheese nachos, black beans, cilantro rice, and your choice of Fanta.
That's it from the rough side of town.
One day down, one to go, Packs.